Hey guys, welcome to Creative Soft, and in this video we are going to do the speed test comparison between the SanDisk Ultra Curve and the SanDisk Curve. And this is a new pen drive guys in the SanDisk portfolio, and it is having a plastic body as you can see over here, whereas the Ultra Curve is having a metallic body, and it comes with a Type-C connector which I had been using for more than 2 years. And so also stay tuned because I'm going to buy another dual drive Luxe maybe in 2022 and do a speed test comparison between either of this. And if you all want to buy one of these pen drives guys, do check out the link in the description. You can purchase it from Amazon. And I'd been using this particular pen drive guys for about 2 years since its launch, and this is one of the fantastic pen drives, and I'm having the 128 GB variant of this, and opposed to the Curve which I have the 64 GB variant guys. And I've been using this Curve mostly with my television and all for playing some videos etc, and it is good. And the dual drive Lux mostly I'm using as my primary for transferring between the photos and all between the laptops etc. So I've been using both of these, and the dual drive Lux gets heated in certain case scenario only when you are transferring file, and the plastic one, that is a black color Curve, it is not getting heated so much. So if you all are worried about the heat and all, you all can just simply go with the something like the Curve. Whereas if you all are using with the Type-C connector, definitely you all have to buy this kind of OTG connector guys. So I'll be doing a kind of speed test comparison with the Type-C connector using the USB 3.2 only, because it makes a fair comparison between this particular pen drive. So let me just connect quickly to the computer and show you how it feels. So and at present I'll be connecting the dual drive Lux to this, and for the E drive I'm going to connect, I think so, the dual drive, sorry I just said the opposite, and the D drive actually is the new Curve guys. And let me know in the comments below which pen drive you all are using, and you all are thinking of purchasing either the dual drive Lux or the SanDisk Curve, because Curve is a new pen drive guys, so we'll just have to test it out. And again, I didn't like so much the build quality of it because it is made from plastic, and if you all are going to use it for a very long time, definitely you all have to use it guys. You all have to go with the metallic body, the dual drive Lux and all, and because also it comes with the Type-C. Yes, the price is high of the dual drive Lux, but again in the long run guys, it is worth paying that extra premium, because the dual drive Lux also comes with a better build quality. But if you see the read speed, I feel the SanDisk Curve is much more faster, actually marginal faster guys, because it is just reading as 95 Mbps the left hand side, and the right hand side, that is the dual drive Lux, is just reading 92. So it is not a gap guys, I mean it's not a big huge gap between these particular pen drives, but I feel the Curve is much more faster pen drive compared to this. So let me know in the comments below what do you think about this particular pen drive, whether you are thinking of purchasing. So let us just wait till the speed test gets over, and then we'll draw our final conclusion regarding this. Also you all can follow us on social media at the rate Creative Soft on Facebook, Twitter and Instagram, and where we are posting always the latest content and all. So also subscribe to this channel if you all haven't subscribed, so which helps my channel a lot. And if you all are thinking of getting the latest pen drive, I would say the dual drive Lux is a better bet guys, because again I'll be comparing the dual drive Lux 2020 with the dual drive Lux 2022, the latest pen drive, and then I'm just going to see the speed, whether it is the fastest or not, because the dual drive Lux is almost 2 years old guys, and I've been using it for the past 2 years, hence I guess the read speed have slightly showing less, which is around 92 Mbps, which is quite good guys, because SanDisk is claiming around 150 Mbps. I guess that is a theoretical if you all are having all the perfect conditions and all, but this is in real life case scenario. As you all can see over here, it is 92 Mbps for the dual drive Lux, and SanDisk Curve is about 95 Mbps right? And both are ultra pen drives, so performance is top notch. You all are not going to have any issues guys. Let us just wait for the write speed of both of this pen drive, and then we'll draw the final conclusion. So the dual drive Lux is having almost the same write speed as the Curve, which is 33 for the dual drive Lux and 35 for the Ultra Curve. And in day-to-day life when I'm using this, always I purchase and use USB 3.2 guys, because that is one of the fastest standard most of the computer are going to give you, whereas on my MacBook Pro it is USB 4. And let me know in the comments below if you all want me to also do a test on the MacBook, because USB 4 and Thunderbolt definitely have much more higher capability than the USB 3.2, because the bandwidth is simply higher guys, and I feel that would make a difference. But again, the read write speed would almost remain the same. Maybe I'll be getting slightly, maybe like a 10% increment or so, but then again, roughly this would be the same figure. So the difference is marginal guys. It is all comes to whether you all want to save a slight bit of money and go with the curve pen drive, or if you all want that extra type C and you all are having an Android phone and definitely a MacBook, it is a must guys. So in either of this case scenario, I would suggest go with the dual drive Luxe instead of the curve, because the read write speed is same, and definitely metal body is going to last much more longer compared to a plastic one. I actually, it just feels a bit flimsy only at the connectors guys. Otherwise the pen drive is made from that glossy material and that matte material, which is like sort of a dual tone look, and it is having a big lanyard strap. And I don't know how many people are going to connect a lanyard also, especially in 2022. And in my realistic case scenario guys, I personally feel you should definitely choose the dual drive Luxe, simply because of the type C connector and the metal body. Because even if you see the difference between the price is not much, because I'm 100% sure like you're paying just 600 rupees extra, sorry, not 600, maybe like around 300 rupees extra for the metal pen drive. And yes, it is getting heated guys. Let me put the updated link in the description on Amazon to buy both of these. And as you can see guys, the curve is around 95 Mbps read and 35 Mbps write, whereas this dual drive Luxe is 92 Mbps read and around 33 Mbps write. So it is slightly slower compared to the curve, because the curve is a new pen drive guys, and the dual drive Luxe I've been using is almost for 2 years. So y'all can go for this. This is available for about 600 rupees on Amazon for the 64 GB variant, whereas the dual drive Luxe is available for about something like 800 or 900 rupees. You all can check out the link in the description to get the updated prices. So you all cannot go wrong with either of this. So let me know in the comments below which one would you pick and why would you pick. So I hope you all enjoyed this video as much as we did while creating it. Please subscribe to our channel and also do check out the other videos which we have it, and let me know in the comments below what you think about this particular topic, whether I should cover other pen drives and all. And again guys, like always, thanks a lot for watching this video, and see you in my next video.